Everyone thinks the best-selling clear coat for cars is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, SprayMax 2K Glamour High Gloss Clear Coat. First up is the SprayMax 2K Glamour High Gloss Clear Coat. This professional-grade spray caught my eye instantly. Priced at $32.25, it's positioned as a top-tier option. If you want a stunning, durable finish that protects your car, this is worth a serious look. That means your car's finish stays protected from the harsh elements and retains its shine longer. It offers coverage of 448 square meters per liter, which is great for complete jobs. Plus, it dries dust-free in just 20 minutes, making it efficient if you're in a hurry. With over 17,300 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users swear by its performance. Now, some people complained about it being a bit tricky to apply for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, you'll get a professional-looking result that's hard to match. It's a learning curve, but worth it for the finish you'll achieve. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a professional-grade clear coat to enhance your car's appearance. Skip this one if you're not ready to work a little for that perfect shine. At this price, you're investing in quality. Now, if the application process of the SprayMax 2K bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat 2-pack. Next up is the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat, available in a convenient 2-pack for $52.99. If you're looking for value and efficiency, this is a solid choice. This option also features a professional-grade polyurethane formula, designed for those who need a protective layer that stands up against harsh conditions. It provides the same UV, gasoline, and chemical resistance as the previous SprayMax product, but comes with double the quantity. This means you can tackle bigger projects without worrying about running out too soon. Plus, with a quick dust dry time of 20 minutes, you can get back on the road faster. The fan nozzle makes it easy to apply, even for those who might not have a steady hand, which is a big plus. However, some users reported that it might not give the same level of gloss as the original SprayMax 2K, but honestly, for most DIY projects, you'll still get impressive results that protect your car beautifully. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles or projects to work on. Skip this if you only need a small touch-up. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3, SENVEN Auto Paint Clear Coat. If you're on a tighter budget, check out the SENVEN Auto Paint Clear Coat, priced at just $9.99. This caught my attention for its affordability and versatility. What sets this clear coat apart is its high-gloss finish that can transform the appearance of your vehicle without breaking the bank. With a fast-curing formula, you can apply fewer coats, saving you time and materials. The smooth application means you won't have to deal with runs or drips, which is perfect for DIYers who want a professional-looking finish without the hassle. Now, some users mentioned that it doesn't last as long as higher-end options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quick touch-up or a way to enhance your car's look without spending a fortune, this is still a smart choice. This is perfect for you if you want an economical solution for small repairs. Skip this if you're looking for long-term durability. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if the budget-friendly aspect of the SENVEN didn't resonate with you, let's look at something more robust. Product number 4, Rust-Oleum 2X Automotive Enamel Custom Spray. Up next is the Rust-Oleum 2X Automotive Enamel Custom Spray, priced at $9.97. This one caught my attention for its combination of affordability and versatility. The 2X coverage means you're getting double the efficiency, allowing you to cover surfaces quicker than many competitors. With a drying time of just 20 minutes, you won't be left waiting long to see your results. It's designed to work on various surfaces, including metal and plastic, which is a big plus if you like to tackle multiple projects at once. The custom spray 5-in-1 dial allows you to choose the spray pattern, giving you more control during application. However, some users mentioned that the finish might not be as glossy as they expected. But honestly, for the price and the versatility, it's still a great option for everyday projects without the need for a perfect showroom finish. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible, clear coat that works on various surfaces. Skip this if you're only looking for a high-gloss finish. For its value, it's tough to beat. Now, if the versatility of Rust-Oleum intrigued you, the next product might just blow your mind with even better performance. Product number 5. SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol. Finally, we have the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol priced at $30.99. This product is aimed at serious DIYers and professionals alike. This clear coat is engineered for maximum resistance to abrasion and scratching, making it an excellent choice for vehicles that see a lot of wear and tear. It covers about 448 square meters per liter, which is quite efficient for larger jobs. Plus, it maintains a high gloss finish, perfect for making your car look showroom ready. Some users found the application a bit challenging without prior experience. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the results are outstanding, giving you that professional finish that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want a durable and professional finish for your car. Skip this if you're looking for something that's easy to apply without any experience. It's worth the investment if you want quality results. Taking a quick look back, we covered a range of options from SprayMax's professional-grade products to budget-friendly choices like SCNVEN and Rust-Oleum. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. In summary, we explored 5 fantastic clear coats. SprayMax 2K is unbeatable for professional finishes, the 2-pack is great for value, SCNVEN offers budget-friendly convenience, Rust-Oleum provides versatility, and the final SprayMax option is perfect for durability. Whatever your needs, there's a clear coat here to keep your car shining.